Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys this really easy and tasty turkey stew recipe. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. So the first thing I'm doing is to season my turkey, which by the way I've already washed, it's clean, it's ready to be cooked. I'm using some onions, some white powder pepper, and then I'm gonna add some thyme, and then I'm adding the rest of my seasonings, which I already mixed together. The exact names would be in the description box below. And then I'm adding some pepper and then my water. So after mixing everything together, I'm just going to cover the pot and leave it to cook for about 25 minutes. So it depends on how hard you want your turkey to be or how soft you want it to be. I like it really soft, and turkey really doesn't take a lot of time to cook. So at this point it's ready, and I'm just taking it out so that I can start the frying process. So I'm adding some granule oil. You can use any type of oil to fry your turkey. I'm adding some onions because it's really nice and it has like some kind of flavor to the turkey. That's why I'm using it. So I like to fry it for a bit, and then I'm gonna add my meat. I like frying my turkey until it's like around this shade of brownish, because I like it really crispy and really nice, but it's your choice anyway, so yeah. So I'm moving on to frying the stew, and I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the turkey because it has all the flavor and all of the niceness. And then I'm going to be adding some palm oil because I really love palm oil. I'm adding enough onions because for the same reasons I love onions. And just let this fry for about 5 minutes, and then add your pepper mix. The pepper mix I'm using, everything I'm using would be in the description box below. So just check that out. It's really nice and simple. And then I'm going to be adding my turkey broth to this mix just because it is nice and it has a lot of flavor. And then I'm going to cover this after stirring to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to stir again and just taste it to see if the seasoning is enough, if I need to add any other thing. And of course, I had to add something else. I had to add Maggi. I added some obeatta seasoning. I added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning as well, just so everything is nice and delicious. And then I'm just adding all of my turkey to the stew just so that it has enough time to absorb all the flavor and the niceness and the juice from the stew. And I'm going to cover this up and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, my stew was technically ready. As you can see, some of the oil has risen to the top of the stew, but really and truly, you can always leave your stew to cook for longer because it would taste so much better, but I was in a rush and I just needed the stew to be ready. So yeah, that's all I did. And here we have it, my lovely, delicious turkey stew. Is really easy. You can use it for rice, spaghetti, anything you want to eat it with. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.